Welcome to WordPress Complete course. In this video we are going to know how we can delete tags. In previous video, I have shown you that how you can edit tags. To delete tag, click on Posts. Then click on Tags. After that you will get your all tags, which you have created before. So now I am going to delete this tag. When you move the cursor hovers on the tags, then a few options get displayed below the tag's name. Click on Delete. When you click on Delete, you will get a pop message asking for confirmation to delete. You can click on OK button and delete the tag permanently. So this is how you can delete tags in WordPress. That's all for this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. And if you have any question, please comment below, and I will be happy to help you. Thanks for watching this video. And goodbye.